Hello and welcome to my Module 4 Reflective Video Journal. So we are coming to the end of my FlexiTrack journey. I have learnt a lot and I've also experienced a lot and had a taste of university life. Let's start at the beginning with Module 1. So in Module 1 we learnt how to paraphrase in essays and how to properly reference and put quotes in our essays and other writings, and the different types of referencing that there is in terms of journal articles or newspaper articles or things that are on the internet or movies, things like that. And we also learned how to display critical thinking in our writing and also how to critically think, because that is sometimes something that doesn't come naturally. And then in Module 2, we looked a lot at essay writing and particularly social change and how social changes affect us. That was a really interesting module because it reminds us that social change and things that happen in the world are all around us and they affect us even if we don't think that they do. And yeah, we have a say in what goes on because we are creating the next generation. Well, we are the next generation and we also have to help the next generation. Yeah, so we learnt a lot about social change and how they affect us. And then Module 3 was about semiotics, which was really interesting. I had never heard of that before. So that was the study of signs and symbols, and we had to do a essay on and create memes and discuss how semiotics and memes help convey meaning and understanding and ideas, particularly in the media. And we also discussed social issues and the different issues that are going on and how the media and semiotics, looking at things semiotically, can help us convey meaning and help us understand what is going on with the global issues that are going on in the world. And the last module was all about science and how science is everywhere, in everything basically that we do and use, and every discipline uses science whether we know it or not, whether we like it or not. So yeah, it was really interesting to just and helpful to be reminded of that. And we did a lot of graphing, calculating the mean, and we also did a scientific report, and we had to discuss an experiment that we didn't do ourselves, but we were given the information. So coming to the end of the FlexiTrack journey, I still find that my passion is with children and teaching. And yeah, my degree of choice would be the Bachelor of Education, majoring in Early Childhood Education. And I'm really excited to get into that and to use what I learnt in the FlexiTrack course in my degree. I have learnt a lot of academic skills and have gained a lot of knowledge in areas such as science and the media, and just areas that I didn't think really would be important and discussed a lot in university. But yeah, it's really important, the things that we learnt. I think some of the skills that I could work on, however, is referencing my quotes and maybe paraphrasing. I think I used a lot of quotes whereas I should have or could have paraphrased a bit more, just so it doesn't look so cluttered. And yeah, I need to work on referencing, insight referencing, and also referencing at the end of my writing, making sure I do it all correctly, because there's a lot of information to remember. And yeah, I could work on that. I also think I could work on my language structure, making it more academic language rather than using simple languages and simple sentences all the time. I need to improve on my writing a little bit and making sure I proofread everything, making sure that it makes sense. And lastly, I think I could improve on my critical thinking skills. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.